OPPO is no stranger to foldables, with its Find N2 Flip having already made waves last year. The N3 Flip is geared to do the same with its flagship class triple sensor camera. In fact, it's the first flip form factor to have one, and that's not all it has. Hey there, Jeevan here for techENT, and this is the OPPO N3 Flip. The OPPO Find N3 Flip is one of the prettiest flip phones available on the market right now. It's coming in cream gold, mist pink and astral black. This new device may look very similar to the Find N2, but it's got subtle updates that make it sleeker and nicer to hold in hand. The edges of the smartphone are more rounded for ergonomics, and it's even got an alert slider. On the front, it has a 3.26-inch AMOLED cover display, complete with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. It's also one of the most robust that we've seen, with OPPO's own mini app system, which is even more extensive this year thanks to more third-party support. These apps are also not cards but fully interactive apps with all the bells and whistles you would expect. The phone's signature triple sensor camera is housed in a round protrusion, complete with the Hasselblad branding emblazoned on it. The signature triple sensor setup comes with a 50 megapixel Sony IMX590, a 32 megapixel Sony IMX709, and a 40 megapixel IMX581 sensor. This is of course complemented with software which is co-developed by OPPO and Hasselblad. The Find N3 Flip comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 9200, MediaTek's latest 4nm processor, which promises great performance. It's also got 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of internal storage. The main display of the Find N3 Flip is a 6.8-inch AMOLED panel with an FHD Plus resolution. It's built to be more power efficient with a polarizer-free design which lowers power consumption by about 20%. The crease is also less prominent on the N3 Flip. And at the top of this main display you have a 32 megapixel selfie camera. To top things off, the Find N3 Flip is IPX4 rated. This means it's water resistant and can resist spills. It comes with an updated Flexion hinge that has zero gap and allows the crease to be less prominent while being able to bear 25% more weight than the N2. This tiny thing comes with a 4300 mAh battery that supports SuperVOOC charging at 44 watts. OPPO claims this will give you 50% charge in just 23 minutes of charging. And that's the Find N3 Flip. We'll have more details in our article over on our website techent.tv. Let us know what you think of the device in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more from techENT.